Hello everyone, myself Swapnil. Welcome to new this video. Welcome to new video. Given an integer array nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. It is the first question of the Leetcode, which is very interesting. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Meanwhile, what here we have the integer array 2, 7, 11, 15, and target is 9. So what should be the output here is that 2 plus 7 is 9, so our answer should be 0 and 1. Here also target is 6, so 2 plus 4 is 6, so 1 and 2, 1 plus and 2, 0, 1, 2 is the sequence. And here 6, that is 3 plus 3 6, 0 and 1. Is every time this answer, can you come up with the algorithm that is less than 0? O of n square. Okay. um, for this solution, in first way I used this because as that time I was firstly made this answer. At that time I made here one variable with two output. For showing the two output, I made here as a as like this, 0 comma 0, and for that I made here one for loop, two for loops, that is for of n square, that is O of n square. But we want it, the time complexity should be less than O of n square, but at that time I was not that much very good in programming, so I made this answer. I made directly here two for loops and directly taking nums of I plus nums of j equal to target. If this happens, then a of 0 equal to I, a of 1 is equal to j, and so 0th index is I and first index is j, and the returns answer a. Very simple, and the answer gets submitted. Then what will be the uh, time complexity? O of n square, and it is showing bits 31.90%, and space complexity is good, I think, so it is showing 87.98%. Now take the hash map data structure, and let's see first of all the submit, and let's see the time complexity and space complexity of it. So its time complexity is good, better than the time complexity of the first solution, so it should be the less than O of n square time complexity, but its space complexity is very much high. That is why its beats only 5.25% of the other solution. You can optimize this solution as well. If you did it, then you can comment it below, so I can see it. In this I made here first of all the variable with the length of the nums array, then hash map I made here, initializing it, and then making one for loop and just adding it. So finally it gets an result which is in the form here as like this. You can make it as like this 0, 0 as well, because both are just the things. If you made new hint and the you shows here as a square bracket 2 means 0, 0. If you made 3, then 0, 0, 0 as this. So it is good to just initialize with anything. So that's it. Thank you for watching.